Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will work on the sign up page. So inside the pages folder, I'll create a new file and name it as sign-up.js. Okay. So I have given the name as sign-up. So inside the routes, I need to change this to sign-up. Okay. Let me save this file. And now let's go to the login page. Select all the code. Okay. Let's copy this and I will come on the sign up page and paste it because we almost need everything from here and we need to add few more things. So let's change this handle login. First, let's change this component name to sign up. Okay, so sign up and let me copy this and let's go down, export default sign up. Okay, so one by one we will change. So now this is fine. So here we need two more inputs. So here we need to say USH, press tab, and the first one is user name. Okay, and initially it will be an empty string. Okay, and the second one is full name. Initially it will be empty string. Let me save this. Okay, so this is fine. Now let's this everything is okay, fine. This handle login will be handle sign up. So make sure you make the changes wherever it is written handle login. So here also it is written handle login. So press command D. Okay. Windows, I think it is control D. Okay. So now I'll change this to handle sign up. Okay. Let me check at the top also it is changed. Let me save this. Now what else we require? So this code we don't require. Okay. Right now we don't require this. So I'll just remove the code from try catch. Okay, so let me just remove it. Okay, now this title will be sign up. Now what else we need? Let me save this file. Now we need two more inputs, so let me copy the first input. Okay, I'll just copy and at the top I'll paste. So here it will be enter the username. Enter your username. This will be username. So username. Okay, the set email address will be set username. Okay, and the value will be user name. This is fine. Let me copy this again. I think he already copied, but okay, let's paste it here. Enter full name. Full name. Here also we need to change this to set full name. Okay, this will be full name. Save this. Okay, just two are already there, so we don't have to change anything here. This will also remains the same, and here we need to change this to okay, this text we have to change. So right now it says don't have account. Now we will say have an account, login. Okay, this will be login. Okay, let's save this. And now inside the app.js, we will add one more route. So option shift down arrow key will create one more duplicate line. So here I'll say sign up. And here I will say sign up. Okay, so this is imported from pages sign up. Oh, sorry, this we don't require. We need this. So option shift and down arrow key. Let me copy this, paste it here. Pages sign hyphen up. Okay, let's remove this. This is auto import. We don't require. We are using lazy loading. We are using lazy, so don't require that. So this is fine. Let's go and check in the browser. If I okay, this page has the name has changed to sign up. So have an account, login. It is not redirecting to the login. Let me check. Okay, the path is sign up. So we need to change this to login. Save this, go back, login. Okay, this is sign up. So have an account, login. Don't have an account, sign up. So this is working fine. Now we need to work on the functionality, but the page we have, but we have created the page of sign up. So everything looks fine for me. And we'll sign up Instagram. Okay, this is fine. I think this should be something like this, a space. Okay, sign up. Fine. This looks fine. Now, what else we need? Handle sign up. This is fine. Username, full name. Okay, so this is fine. This is working fine. In the next video, we will continue working on the sign up page where we will see how to restrict duplicate users. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.